So we are just here to talk about this new program or like supplement thing we're following. It's called Isogenics, and it's like amazing. It has so many health benefits, and we have to take certain things at certain times in the day, and we're gonna explain to you what we're taking right now. So this is what we had just right when we got up. So here's a big overview of everything we have, and we'll explain them as like we take them. But this morning we had to take first, we took the Natural Accelerator, which is helping with your metabolism. It has green tea and cayenne and also cocoa seed in it. And then we had to take Ionic Supreme, which is good for your skin and it helps with your overall body health. And then we had to take a pack of vitamins for the morning, and there's just a few of them in here, and we'll explain each of them right now. So here's what we're looking with the vitamins. There's 5 different kinds, and then here you can just read it. They all have different names, and this is the pack for women that we're taking. And you take it once in the morning and once at night, and there's an AM pack and a PM pack. So here we're making our protein shake. We're using 1 or 2 scoops of this, the Isoline shake. We're using creamy French vanilla, and we're also putting 1 of these greens, which has 30 servings of vegetables. Yeah, and also the shake is a meal replacement, so this is like our breakfast basically. This is So pre-workout snack is going to be one of these things. They're only like 90 calories. They're pretty low in everything else as well. So this is what we're going to have before we go to the gym. For a snack, we're going to have this chocolate decadence, half of this bar. And then we're each going to have our own harvest things. Right here, we're taking our night shake, our dinner pretty much. We had oatmeal for lunch, and we're having this. It's 2 scoops this time. We only had 1 scoop for like breakfast / a snack. And then we just took all of our vitamins. So we also took an IsoComfort, which is good for your health and also for your digestion. We took also 1 of these chewables. They're just like a little snack. And then we had our nighttime vitamins right here. They're just the same ones as in the morning, but we just take them at night as well.